Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Simply Marquisha. I just wanted to show you all how I made my ring light. I purchased most of my materials from Walmart and I will leave a link for each of the materials down below. I just had to purchase the Wreath frame, the rope lights, as well as the zip ties. All of the other materials I already had at home. So what I'm doing right now is wrapping the entire wreath frame with aluminum foil. You will probably see me squinting throughout the video because I'm not wearing my glasses. They tend to slip when I'm looking down and I'm nearsighted, so it's just easier to see what I'm doing without my glasses on. And you'll also probably see me looking at my iPad and dancing because I was watching the Teddy versus Babyface Instagram battle, and that was hilarious. So after I wrapped the entire frame with the aluminum foil, I then had to arrange the LED lights around the frame. So that did take a little bit of time, plus I was dancing. If you purchase the LED rope lights from Walmart, make sure that you get the daylight rope lights and not the soft light. One of the things that I noticed when I was watching a few of the DIY videos on how to do ring lights is that some people were cutting out a ring from cardboard and then wrapping the cardboard with the aluminum foil. Then they stuck the ring inside of the wreath frame and then arranged the lights on top of that. I chose to skip that step. Next, I am zip tying everything together so everything stays in place. Once again, in watching some of the DIY videos, I saw the amount of zip ties that were being used, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I didn't use as many zip ties. You just have to gauge it. If you feel like you need some more zip ties, then use more zip ties. They're about 8 inches, so I just put what I felt was enough to put around the ring. I was really feeling whatever was going on Instagram. So with the plug, I just placed it behind one of the tubes so that it would stay in place and wouldn't stick out. So now I'm going to cut the zip ties so that of course they're not sticking out. Just be mindful that they are a little sharp on the ends. I've seen some people use a nail filer to, I guess, dull them, but I didn't do that part. The next step is wax paper to cover the entire ring. This took me a little bit longer because I didn't want the wax paper to be jumbled up on the ring. So I did take my time on this step, and I just used Scotch tape, clear Scotch tape on the back of it just to make sure that it laid nicely. So after you've put the wax paper around the ring, you can do this either before you add it to the tripod or afterwards. I don't know why I chose to do it before, but it's the extension part to the plug so that you can plug it into an extension cord. So I'm adding that now, and then I'm going to show you all what it looks like. It works. Watch. I made my own ring light, y'all. As you can see, I'm kind of excited about my ring light. So here I'm showing you all how I zip tied the ring light to my tripod. I haven't seen another way to attach it to a tripod, so if you all know of another idea, you can leave your comment below. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, let me know. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.